Hello everyone. Welcome to TechMaster YouTube channel. I'm passionate about technology and I love sharing my knowledge with others. I hope you'll enjoy my videos and learn something new. So subscribe and join us on our journey into the world of tech. Now let's go to this video. The Samsung Galaxy S24 is the latest and greatest smartphone from Samsung, and it's packed with features that will make you wonder how you ever lived without it. With a powerful processor, a stunning display, and a versatile camera system, the Galaxy S24 is the perfect phone for anyone who wants the best of the best. Processor: the Galaxy S24 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is one of the most powerful processors on the market. This processor ensures that the Galaxy S24 can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're gaming, streaming videos, or editing photos, the Galaxy S24 will keep up. Display: the Galaxy S24 has a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels. This display is incredibly sharp and vibrant, and it's perfect for watching movies, playing games, or browsing the web. The display is also HDR10+ certified, which means that it can display a wider range of colors and contrast than standard displays. Camera: the Galaxy S24 has a triple-lens rear camera system that includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor. This camera system is capable of taking stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. The Galaxy S24 also has a 32-megapixel front-facing camera that's perfect for taking selfies. Battery: the Galaxy S24 has a 5000 mAh battery that will easily last you a full day on a single charge. The battery is also fast charging, so you can quickly top it up when you need to. Software: the Galaxy S24 runs on Android 13, which is the latest version of Android. Android 13 is packed with new features and improvements, including a new design, better privacy controls, and more. Other features: the Galaxy S24 also has a number of other features that make it a great phone, including 5G connectivity, wireless charging, IP68 water and dust resistance, S Pen support. Conclusion: the Samsung Galaxy S24 is the perfect phone for anyone who wants the best of the best. With its powerful processor, stunning display, versatile camera system, and long-lasting battery, the Galaxy S24 is the phone to beat in 2023. Pricing and availability: the Samsung Galaxy S24 is expected to be released in February 2023. The starting price is expected to be $899. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 is a phenomenal smartphone that offers everything you could possibly want in a phone. It's powerful, versatile, and stylish, and it's sure to turn heads wherever you go. If you're looking for the best smartphone on the market, the Galaxy S24 is the phone for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks again for watching.